In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animated icons to your Notion pages. If you want to make your Notion workspace feel a little more lively and visually appealing, adding an animated icon is a simple way to do it. This works especially well for dashboards, project pages, journals, or any page you want to personalize. The key is using a lightweight animated GIF or a transparent animated sticker so the icon looks clean and loads smoothly. To get started, first download an animated file you want to use. A small GIF or transparent sticker usually works best, especially if you are getting it from platforms that offer sticker-style animations. Keeping the file lightweight is important because smaller files tend to upload faster and display more reliably inside Notion. If possible, choose something simple and easy to recognize at a small size, since page icons appear in a compact format. Once you have your animated file ready, open your Notion page and hover over the page title area. You should see the option to add an icon. Click Add Icon. Then choose Custom. This opens the area where you can bring in your own image instead of using Notion's default icon set. From there, upload the animated file you downloaded. After the upload finishes, Notion will use that file as the page icon. If the animation is supported correctly, you'll see the icon appear with motion, which can make the page stand out much more than a static image. If it doesn't look quite right, it may help to try a different version of the file, especially one with a transparent background or a smaller file size. Another way to do this is by pasting an image link instead of uploading a file directly. If you have your icon hosted somewhere, or if you are using a direct image link from a GIF platform, go back to the same Custom tab and look for the URL field. Paste the direct link there, then confirm it so Notion can pull the image from that source. When using a link, make sure it points directly to the image itself and not just to the web page where the image is displayed. That detail matters, because Notion needs the actual image URL in order to use it as an icon. And that's it. By either uploading an animated GIF or sticker, or pasting a direct image link into the custom icon section, you can quickly add motion and personality to your Notion pages in just a few clicks.